India's largest public sector bank, the State Bank of India, was losing market share due to competition from foreign and private banks, in a market where customers wanted world-class service and greater convenience through channels such as the ATM and internet banking. Internally, the bank was suffering from low productivity and rigid internal processes.
When the going was getting increasingly difficult for the bank, we were losing market share. We were not able to meet competition.
To help regain its position in the market, SBI decided to transform the bank by re-engineering its processes, launching the biggest project of this kind in association with McKinsey & Company. The program was built on 5 pillars: increasing sales forces, setting up back offices or central processing centers, redesigning branches, developing alternate channels, and creating an organization to support the transformation plan. The BPR program had 4 objectives. The BPR program has been a resounding success. All 4 objectives were achieved. First, SBI's cost-income ratio was almost halved by raising productivity and increasing advances and deposits.
We find that we are gaining market share, both in assets and in liabilities. We find that our NPAs have gone down. We find that our productivity is high.
The whole process is derived and meant to better customer satisfaction, to improve processes for customer satisfaction, and to improve our own productivity.
Second, the quality of the bank's credit was improved by introducing centralized sanctioning and creating specialized recovery outfits. Third, customer service was greatly improved.
I have the account with other banks also, but now I am using only SBI, not the other bank.
Fourth, employee capabilities were enhanced. Instead of waiting for walk-ins, employees now target customers proactively. For example, they target customers at a builder's premises or meet customers at places convenient to them. Employees now work with an operations mindset. They can themselves identify any gaps in the processes, identify their causes, re-engineer the processes, design IT changes, and implement them efficiently.
If we in our desks be Grahak Mitras, 90% of our business has been done. We don't need to worry about any competitors.
In addition, they know how to keep the transformation going by building and sustaining momentum, balancing pace with quality, and redeploying people as needed. All this was done over 5 years. Global banks have taken 10 to 15 years to complete such an effort. With so many achievements to its credit, SBI is not resting on its laurels.
We need to have a mindset where we should never be able to say with finality that yes, this is now done and complete. It always has to be a continuous evolution, a continuous strive towards excellence, continuous perfection.
The journey continues.